When the selling price of a watch is rupees 135, the loss percentage is 25%. What is the loss or gain percentage if selling price is increased to 189? Now, whenever selling price or cost price is given and profit or loss percentage is given, you can easily use this formula, that is selling price is equal to cost price into multiplier. Now, in this formula, this multiplier, depending on if it is profit percentage or loss percentage, the formula changes. Now, in this case, we have a loss percentage. Therefore, this m will become 1 minus. If it had been profit percentage, it would have been 1 plus the fraction equivalent of 25%. So therefore, it becomes 1 minus fraction equivalent of 25% is 1 by 4. So answer becomes 3 by 4. Now let's try to put this value of m in the formula and find out the cost price. So it is mentioned selling price is 135. So cost price we don't know. Multiplier is 3 by 4. Okay. So 135 into 4 divided by 3. So cost price comes out as 180. Now we have to find out what is the loss or gain percentage if the selling price is increased to 189. Now selling price is 189, which is greater than cost price, that is 180. So there will be a profit of 9 rupees. But we are asked profit percentage. So formula for profit percentage is profit upon CP. So profit is 9, CP is 180 into 100, which comes out to be 5%. So that's our answer.